vlog. So I'm going to go ahead and start off this vlog. Right now I'm just doing my makeup and hair. I'm not doing a lot of makeup. I'm not doing no foundation or anything like that. I'm just doing my brows and eyelashes, and that's it because I don't have a lot of stuff to do outside of the house today, but I do have one errand to run, and then I'm gonna come back and clean up and catch up on laundry. We did get married a week ago, and then we had our honeymoon the day after that. So we came back home Thursday, and it looks like our suitcases just threw up all over the house. So I'm trying to get everything back organized. This was our first week back to work. So, you know, stuff been thrown off a little bit, but I'm just trying to catch us back up. The wedding and the honeymoon was so much fun. It was phenomenal. It was great. I do plan on posting pictures and videos of both the wedding and the honeymoon. I'll probably just combine those in one video because y'all know how I get when I be editing. It be taking me months to edit. So I'm just gonna do it in one video and get that out to you guys. So I don't know if it'll come out before this video or afterwards. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and hair and get me some breakfast because I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything yet. So yeah, I will catch you guys later on. Hey y'all, so it is about a week and a half after the last clip you guys seen. Honestly, I've just been tired and lazy, and yeah, I didn't feel like recording, and honestly it's because my iPad broke, so I couldn't like edit, and I was actually working on editing the wedding video. But when my iPad broke, I said, forget it. Let me just go ahead and wait for my iPad to come in, my new iPad. And I think it was just a sign because I did have like the old like iPad 7th generation or something like that. I really don't remember. I got it when I was like a junior in college, which was about 3 or 4 years ago. So I had to upgrade anyway. So I just got the, I honestly don't know what it is. I got it off Amazon. So it's supposed to be here probably by Thursday. And then I can just start back editing, or I might have to redo it all over again because I honestly don't know what like password I had set on my iPad. So like everything I had on there is gone. The intro video is gone. Everything is gone. So we just gonna probably have to redo all that unless I can find a way to find it and, you know, all that stuff. But for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this vlog. Hopefully my iPad comes in on time so I can get this video out. But right now I'm about to do my eyebrows. As y'all can see, you can't see them, but I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and probably a little bit of mascara, and that's it. I really don't want to do a full face. The only thing I'm going today is to the Social Security office to get my last name officially changed so I can take that up to the DMV and get my license changed. And then I got to get my passport sent back so I can get that changed too, since my license will be changed. It needs to match. So, well, they told me it needs to match, but somebody else said it didn't need a match. But I'm just going to go ahead and get it because I don't want to be traveling and stuff, and my passport does not match my license and stuff, and I need that. So that's what I'm fixing to go handle right now, is the Social Security office. And then I'm going to get me some lunch because I haven't ate anything today, and it is almost 1 o'clock. So I got to eat. But yeah, I'm using this Revlon Color Stay pencil that I got from Target. It probably cost me like $7 or $8. I really don't remember. But I've been using this pencil for about, I don't know, since Christmas, I want to say. I've always been using this brand. So this is what I'm using. Let me put my hair back. I got my little thingy right here. They cutting grass outside, of course, every time I'm recording a video. But yeah, I've been trying to redo the editing for the wedding video on my computer, but you know, all that uploading and me not having enough space trying to upload it, like it's just so much, and all the stuff is on my phone. So I said I might as well just wait till I get the iPad, wait till, you know, I get that set up and just finish editing. So I'm trying my best to get that out. So that's my outlined eyebrows. Now we're just going to just clean this up. I use this Pro Concealer from, I think, Walmart. I honestly don't remember, but I'm almost out. But yep. All right, y'all know I blend with this. I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't really care about the brushes I use. All right, now I'm just going to brush out. Now the only reason why I do this is just to give it like the fade effect at the end. So that's the only reason why I brush it at the end. That's it, y'all. That's all that I'm doing today. Well, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. The mascara that I use is this CoverGirl Full Lash. Now I got this from Target. I recently just got this like a week ago because I was tired of putting on lashes every day, and then I said, you know what, let's just look a little natural. Okay, so let's just do mascara. So that's why I got this. Okay, y'all, and that's it. I got my mascara on. I'm just gonna go brush my hair and put on some clothes. But yeah, that is it. That's all that I'm doing. I'm not doing a full face. I need to put a nose ring in too, and I'll probably put in some earrings. But yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. Hey y'all, so I have not recorded in like a few weeks. So I decided to go ahead and start back off on this vlog. It has been like spread out throughout the whole month. So this will be most like a monthly vlog and not like a weekly vlog. But anyways, I'm going to try to get this vlog uploaded, and I'm also working on editing the wedding video. It's gonna have like pictures of the wedding videos and like some pictures of me and Babe during our honeymoon. So that's just gonna be in one video, and I'll just post that on here because I haven't put anything on here yet about the wedding or anything. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna make me some breakfast, and I'm gonna make me some coffee, and I might go do a little shopping, grocery shopping, and get a few things for the house that I think we need, and work on editing these videos. And actually I need to do some laundry too, so I might do that today too. We'll see, or I might do it tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my breakfast, and I will talk with you guys later on.